How to fix Chai AI not responding. So if the Chai AI is not responding, and the first step you must do is ensure the app is updated to the latest version and that your internet connection is stable. So here's a step-by-step guide or a detailed breakdown. So first is check for updates. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Chai app. And then the internet connection. Make sure that you're using an internet connection that is stable. And then you might want to restart the app. So close the Chai AI app completely and then reopen it, because this can sometimes resolve the temporary glitches that causes the app to freeze. And then another thing you want to consider is restarting your device. So if the restarting app doesn't work, you can try restarting your entire device, which can clear out some cache data that might be causing the issue. And another thing is the server issues. So if the problem is widespread and other users are experiencing the same issue, it's likely due to the server problems on Chai's end. So there's nothing you can do and you'll just have to wait for Chai to fix the issue. And lastly is to contact the customer support. So if the problem still persists after trying these steps, you need to contact the Chai AI support team for the further assistance. And that is how you can fix Chai AI app not responding.